Paano nga ba ako napadpad sa private school sa Rizal? Galing ako sa isla ng Masbate. Here's the story behind that decision, baka makatulong din sa inyo. I graduated from elementary, junior high, and senior high, pero sa magkakaibang school. Yes, iba-iba. Kasi nga sa probinsya namin, minsan kung saan lang abot ng pambili ng uniforme o pamasahe, doon ka mag-aaral. Sa lugar naming isla, malaking pribilehiyo na makapagtapos ka ng kolehiyo. Most of the time, after high school pa lang, nagmamadali nang pumunta sa Maynila para magtrabaho. Or some, they start a family early and planned because they feel like that's all life has to offer. I grow up watching people give up on their dreams, not because they wanted to, but because they felt they had no choice. And honestly, that scared me. I didn't want that kind of life for myself. I have big dreams, not just for me, but for my family and for the youth in my community, especially sa kapwa ko bugtunganon. That's why I made one of the hardest, scariest, and boldest decisions: to leave. I left the island, enrolled in college, chased opportunities. Para balang araw, may ibabahagi akong skills at storya na makakapag-inspire din sa iba to get out of their comfort zones. Pero syempre, hindi yun naging madali. Ang daming beses kong naisip na baka hindi ko to kayanin. Baka mapahiya lang ako sa dulo. But I'm still here, and this is only the beginning. This is my day 3 of Project 50. If you're from a simple place too, or you feel stuck sa life mo ngayon, stay with me. Let's go together. Kita-kits sa next episode.